The last thing I want to do now is something that I get asked quite regularly when there are new DBT versions is how do we go and update core, right? So we know that in a few weeks, probably we'll see DBT core version 1.10 going live, and it's very exciting. There are some pretty interesting new features there already, but the question is, how do I go about doing this, right? We can use the agent to help us actually understand what needs to be done and how it needs to be done and what kind of actions we can take on the back of this. So I'm going to go ahead and create finally just a new chart, and I'm going to go here and select Perplexity. Paradime integrates natively with Perplexity to provide real-time web search, meaning that we can use the Perplexity API to allow the agent to get relevant, up-to-date knowledge and information from a web search as we speak. So the documentation for version 1.10, for example, is pretty new. And I would say, hey, I want to upgrade my DBT core to 1.10. Can you tell me what are the key areas I need to focus for smooth upgrade in my project? I can go ahead and press enter. And now what we're going to see is the agent effectively creating a web search for us, scanning through the result, giving us also all the relevant references to that response, which I think is super powerful for us to truly understand what is about to happen, what is we expect to happen as part of this, and fundamentally provide a breakdown of what are the breaking changes, what are the deprecation notices, what are the key features. So for example, we will have the dash sample flag. That things what becomes powerful is also this is how we recommend upgrades, right? So what do we do? How do we do it? Update your packages of YAML, make sure you tested things properly, and all things also, okay, do you want me to research any specific information related to this process, right? Think about the agent, also the companion that you can use for writing code, update documentation, update YAMLs, generate tests, fix bugs, all these sort of things. But it's not only about that. It's also like, how can we have somebody can help us through migrating to different DBT versions and package management, all these sort of things that are like part of our regular work as a data practitioner.